Big news for game developers, Unity is rolling out a new runtime fee. For your games, you're gonna have to give Unity more of your money. Don't worry just yet, the fee is tied to specific thresholds of game installs and revenue, designed mainly for prosperous games. Essentially, the Unity runtime is installed every time someone downloads a game. Unity is targeting install-based fees. The good news is they're only targeting games that are successful that have met specific thresholds. Those thresholds include revenue targets and goals, and also lifetime installations. Only the games that target big numbers qualify for those fees. For Unity Personal and Plus Edition, you have to either make more than $200,000 per year or have 200,000 lifetime installs. And for Unity Pro and Enterprise, that number goes up to 1 million installs or 1 million in annual revenue. This means that a good chunk of your revenue will go to Unity under those conditions where your game is very successful. However, Unity is bringing more to the ecosystem of Unity, and this is how they're justifying those added fees for you. Their justification comes with these added features for asset cloud storage, Unity DevOps tools, and even some AI functionality at runtime. They've made all that free for game developers as long as it's below the threshold. But what if your game doesn't use those things and you have exceeded the threshold? Well, guess what? You're paying extra to Unity now. This all starts in January 2024, so essentially you got a handful of months before Unity starts to track this new metric and collect the revenue from you. So if you're a game developer, you might as well take advantage of these new Unity features that they offer because they're completely free unless you pass those thresholds. Otherwise, just get ready to pay extra to Unity for features that you're not using.